Attention is neither easy nor simple nor straightforward for any man or woman in the world to develop, master, because attention requires self mastery, self knowledge, self reliancy under all circumstances, situations, conditions we struggle with or we find ourselves in. We just cannot afford to depend, rely, or expect anything from anyone. We cannot show any dependency, expectancy, desire from and over the others, because the others are betrayers, manipulators, anyways, and that is the majorities who believe in validation, recognition, approval, riches, wealth, possessions, and they also exercise a lot of hate, competition, animosity against each other. And that means the majority's behavior, character, and action cannot be trusted or taken for granted because it's unconditionally not only insignificant but also untrustworthy. But the minorities are trustworthy in one way or another. So attention is not easy, because just as there is good and bad habit, in a similar fashion or vein, there is good attention, approval, recognition, respect, success in the world, and the bad versions of those are also available and attainable for both men and women. Just as habit, character, personality, mindset can be simultaneously both good and evil, right and wrong, light and dark, productive and counterproductive, just and unjust at the same time, so attention can also be good and evil, productive and counterproductive at the same time, depending upon the man and the women and their mindset, upbringing, behavior, character, and their attitude, perception. That determines everything about themselves in one way or another. But then again, memory is not easy. Being able to memorize everything that is important, significant, relevant, productive to us is difficult. And the true art of memory is the art of attention. If we want memory in our lives, if we want to have very powerful, productive, significant memories, or build and keep that sort of productive, helpful, authentic memories with ourselves, then we had to be attentive also. We had to learn to be attentive simultaneously, unconditionally, even under the most pressureful, challenging, painful circumstance, situations, conditions. We cannot stop being attentive. We cannot lose attention, focus, concentration, because these are important for learning, success, self-knowledge, and wisdom, intelligence, authenticity into our lives. So attention is not always about the Instagram or social media attention, but this is positive, productive attention, focus, concentration that changes our lives forever, sharpens our mind, enhances our attitude, and adds more depth, significance, dignity to our mind, personality, action, habit, and that is attention in one way or another that not everyone has. Everyone is